Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free TikTok coins in 2025. So let me just open up my TikTok and show you guys what is going on with my coins. And then I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let me just go ahead and go over to the coin section just so you guys can see. So I'm just going to go over here and show you guys what's going on. So let me just go over to the settings. And as you can see guys, look at my TikTok coin balance right now. Let's just wait for it to load. And you guys will see they're going up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how to get a ton completely for free. So let's just give it a minute for this to max out, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So yeah, look at that, 10, 11, 12. Oh my gosh, guys, this is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to get a ton of TikTok coins in this video. So what you want to do is go to the website. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here, as you can see. So anyway, guys, once you're on this site, you just want to go ahead and press the proceed button. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my TikTok username. So let me just go ahead and type that in right here so you guys can see. All right. And after that, we're just going to go ahead and press proceed. And basically it's going to ask us like how much TikTok coins do we want to add to our account. So I'm going to go ahead and do the max. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and press proceed. And then I think we're done. So it's going to generate the TikTok coins into our account. So let's just give it a minute for this to go ahead and load here, as you can see. All right, super cool, guys. So yeah, we should be done. We should be good to go. So yeah, there you go. Now, before you get the TikTok coins, you are going to do a verification. This is where you have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're totally free, and they're from the official app store. So it really doesn't matter which ones you do. You just want to make sure you do 2 of them. So I'm going to go ahead and do the Bible. So it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to download the app. So let's just give it a second for it to redirect me here, as you can see. All right. So while this is downloading, guys, I'm going to go back on the list of apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure the process works. So let me just go ahead and go back onto the list. And I'm going to go ahead and download another one. So I'm going to do Family Island. So it's going to take me to the App Store, and I'm going to go ahead and download the app. So let's just give it a second for it to redirect me here. So now I'm going to go to the home screen and just wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So let's just go to the home screen and see if they're done yet. So the Bible app is done. So I'm going to run it. I'm just going to do some basic interactions, you know, touching around, whatever, nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do that right here, as you guys can see. All right, so I'm just like interacting with it. Pretty simple stuff, as you can see. All right, so let me just go ahead and do this right here. All right, so I'm just playing through it. I mean, I understand if like you don't actively use these apps, but trust me guys, they're very easy to use. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this right here, as you can see. All right, so I'm just playing around with it, scrolling, you know, pretty easy stuff. So let me just go ahead and do this right here, as you guys can see. All right. So I'm just running it, pretty simple. So let's just go ahead and do this right here, so you guys can see. All right, so now I'm going to do Family Island, same thing. Just got to run it and do some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead and do this right here. All right, I'm just playing around with it. So let me just go ahead and do that. I understand that you might be confused, but trust me guys, if you read the instructions on the locker, you're going to know how to actually run the game. So let me just go ahead and do this right here, so you guys can see. All right, so I'm just playing around with it, you know, nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do this right here, so you guys can see. All right, so it's pretty simple. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. All right, so let's just go ahead and run this right here, as you guys can see. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and do this. Pretty cool. All right, so let's just go ahead and run this right here, so you guys can see. All right, so yeah, I'm just doing it right now, bruh. So yeah, pretty simple stuff. So yeah, I think we're pretty much done, guys. So let's go to the home screen and see if we're going to be having a ton of TikTok coins in our account or not. So I'm just going to run this for a little bit more here, as you can see, just playing around with it. All right, so let's open up TikTok now and see if we got our coins. And I'm hoping it works. I don't really know. Oh my gosh, it's working, guys. So be sure to try this out. It's super insane. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. But if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. It's super cool. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, my coins are going up like crazy. This is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane, guys. And it totally works. Damn, 40K, bro. That's wild.